Hey everyone, this is Daily Dose of Medicine. In this video, we will talk about how to detox your liver. Chronic liver diseases such as cirrhosis and liver cancer can result from prolonged liver damage and inflammation. The liver has a remarkable capacity for regeneration. Even if a portion of the liver is damaged or surgically removed, it can regenerate itself and regain its functionality. That's why detoxing your liver is important. It's an incredibly vital organ in the human body, performing a wide range of essential functions. It plays a crucial role in detoxification, metabolism, digestion, and immune system support. It's the largest internal organ in the body, located on the right side of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. It weighs approximately 3 pounds and is responsible for over 500 vital functions. One of its primary functions is detoxification. It processes and filters blood, removing harmful substances such as toxins, drugs, and alcohol from the body. It metabolizes and breaks down the substances into byproducts that can be eliminated to urine or stool. Additionally, it plays a central role in metabolism. It regulates the level of glucose, amino acids, and lipids in the blood, storing excess glucose as glycogen and releasing it when needed. The liver also involves in the synthesis of cholesterol, proteins, and clotting factors. It produces a bile, a substance necessary for the digestion and absorption of dietary fats. Given the liver's vital functions, it's crucial to maintain its health and ensure its proper functioning. Today we will talk what should you do. One way to support liver health is through detoxification. Liver detoxification refers to the process of removing accumulated toxins and promoting optimal liver function. While the liver has its natural detoxification mechanisms, certain lifestyle practices can assist in enhancing its detoxification capacity. First and foremost, a healthy diet is fundamental for liver detoxification. Consuming a well-balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the liver with the necessary nutrients to carry out its functions effectively. Certain food cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, garlic, turmeric, and green tea contain compounds that promote liver detoxification. Let's talk about garlic. It contains compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for eliminating toxins from the body. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that support liver health. Turmeric is another substance that is important. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been shown to have hepatoprotective properties and may help reduce inflammation and promote overall liver health. And you should opt for lean protein sources. For example, high quality proteins like lean meats, fish, poultry, legumes, and tofu. These provide essential amino acids necessary for detoxification processes. You should choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. These provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that aid in digestion and overall liver health. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps flush out toxins and supports the liver's filtration process. Regular exercise is important because engaging physical activity helps improve blood circulation, which enables the liver to filter toxins more efficiently. Exercise also promotes weight loss and reduces the risk of fatty liver disease, a condition that can impair liver function. We have a video on fatty liver disease. You can find it from the top right corner. Avoiding excessive alcohol consumption is vital because alcohol is processed by the liver, and excessive intake can lead to liver damage and the development of alcoholic liver disease. It's advisable to consume alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether. Similarly, avoiding the excessive use of medications and drugs can help prevent liver damage. Certain medications such as acetaminophen can be hepatotoxic in high doses. It's essential to follow the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare professional if necessary. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Obesity and excessive accumulation of abdominal fat can lead to a disease known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is characterized by the buildup of fat in the liver. These can progress to more severe conditions such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis and cirrhosis. Chronic liver diseases such as cirrhosis and liver cancer can result from prolonged liver damage and inflammation. If you suspect any liver-related symptoms or have concerns about your liver health, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. And thanks for watching us. Don't forget to watch our How to Detox Pancreas video and fatty liver disease videos. See you on the next one.